is a tension that I want to bring up today, really, is the tension between preservation and innovation. It's always pulling one on the other side. Much of the work that we see today in museums and in the digital space, it focuses on preservation, digitizing archives, reconstructing heritage sites, documenting rituals. These are all very important, very vital work, but it often frames culture as something that is frozen in time. But culture is also alive. It must evolve and it must innovate. New culture industries and new creative practices are essential to keep heritage authentic and meaningful. So the question becomes, are we designing for culture as if it's a static artifact? Or are we designing with culture as a living practice that keeps transforming with time? I will return to my question at the start. Designing futures, whose culture are we designing through digital design? So digital design can abstract culture, reducing it to a product. We don't want it to be just a product. Or it can transform culture, which is what we should be heading towards, making it live, to grow, and to connect across generations and borders. The future of cultural innovation depends on whose voices we choose to amplify. That is really important. So designing futures means designing with culture and not for it. So that we as designers, as educators, as communities, we all have a responsibility to shape it with a lot of care and love.